In this video, we are doing an unboxing and review of some Happy Mail from Ink Plus Volt. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. This video will be in 3 parts. First, we're going to unbox the package from Ink Plus Volt, flip through whatever they sent, and then head on over to their website to learn a little bit more about the company. Okay, we have 2 notepads, the Achieve Notepad, which has a space for your goal, an action plan, an analysis, motivation, and progress. So it's like a goal project strategy worksheet, which I like to use. And then the Today Notepad is like a daily schedule page starting at 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. and a little space for after hours, water intake, active minutes, tasks for the day and tomorrow. I will be productive, efficient, present, creative, and you get to fill in the blank. So first up, we have the Ink Plus Volt 2022 Goal Planner in Royal Purple. Let's check it out. All right, let's open this up. Okay, so this is like a smooth surface, hard, book-bound 2022 Goal Planner. Here's your front page to write in your name. 2022 and 2023 annual overview pages. Bringing your year into focus, 2022 theme and vision. So some vision planning. Timeline. Oh, this is interesting. January through December, your timeline. Like, what are you planning throughout the year? This is something I haven't seen. That's a great idea. I like that. Setting your goals and things you want to accomplish, action plans for that. So this page is the same as this notepad page. So you have some extra goal planning pages. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the planner, and then you have a whole extra notepad if you want more of those pages. Here's your January overview. January goals, 31-day challenge. What are you challenging yourself to accomplish this month? And here is a little, like the tracker at the bottom with the dates. What are you most looking forward to in the months ahead? Weekly goals page for specific weeks. And then here is your weekly overview page with vertical 3 boxes for morning, noon, and night. Weekends are shaded in 1 column on the right. This page says get in balance, write out the main areas of your life, and then another weekly goals for the next week. And that is how it's laid out. Let's see what's in the back. Oh, these prompts are different. Look, what makes you feel good? Make your minutes matter. Streamline your space. Be heard. So that's like a journaling page. I love that. And it's different each time. All right, where is our end of year? Okay. Achievements for the year, looking back, and some bullet journal pages in the back of the planner. Also a pocket. Ink Plus Volt, embossed. All right, now we're going to check out the mantra journal and the prompt journal. So these are the same. Oh, this one has a little bit of a texture to it, like a little bit of a ribbed texture. And gold embossed, book bound, Ink Plus Volt. Let's check it out. Let's scooch this one over. Ooh, it has instructions. That's good. There's a welcome page, what's inside and which page it's on, and how to use this journal. Keep it short, first person language. It's about me, I, us, you know. Keep it positive, be specific, and believe in it. Doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Oh, they give you an example entry. Wow, that is awesome. So here's your practice entry. Success and goals, deliver more than expected, ideas. Okay, so this section is all about journaling, about success and goals. Ooh, I like that. Oh, let me just flip through. Okay, that's what I thought. So each section has a color theme and a topic for you to journal. They're not dated, so you can do one a day or as many or as few as you wish. So there's a whole section on success and goals with prompts. This one's the mantra journal. Okay. The next section is productivity and organization. Plans are nothing. Planning is everything. Oh, I like that. Productivity and organization. Journal pages. Okay. Creativity and innovation. So some quotes and then prompts for you to journal. And look, each one is a different quote, the same prompts, but a different quote. Okay, so this is the quote that's kind of like your prompt, and then you answer questions about this quote. So it kind of gives you a prompt here and then your interpretation, your thoughts on it. Very cool. Health and wellness section. Spirit and mindfulness. Happiness and relationships. This is going to be fun to do. You made it to the end. Bonus section and some blank pages in the back. Ooh, this is going to be fun. I love this kind of stuff. All right, let's check out the prompt journal, because you all know what our biggest problem is when we sit down to journal. We don't know what to write about, right? And we always need prompts. Same kind of texture. This one is, what is this color? Blue. It looks a little darker on camera. So it's like I'm gonna have to think about this color. And if I think of it, or maybe they have a name for it. When we look at the website, we'll see what the name of the color is. There's a specific name for this color. All right, so let's check out the prompt journal. Tells you a little about it here. A free writing exercise with some questions to help you. Different entries. Okay, let me just flip. I just want to flip through this first. So this one's all about writing and prompts. So it's a lot more journaling with a prompt at the top of each page. And it looks like they're all different. All different kinds of prompts for your journaling. Let's just flip through. Learn every day. The smartest people are always learning. What is a lesson you can take away from a recent experience? Use your imagination. Let's just stop randomly. Grow through what you go through. What challenges have you faced this year and what did you learn? It's easier to keep up than catch up. Is there a goal or task that you've been avoiding starting or finishing? What do you think is standing in your way? So some really, really good, dinner party. Prompt for journaling. Notes in the back, and I want to see it's back here. Reflection. You made it. Okay, these are going to be really fun to do. I enjoy journaling. This will be really fun. Let's go over to the website and see if we can find a little bit more details and the name of this color. This is their about page from the founder. Ink Plus Volt is a community about ideas and success. My goal when I started it was to carry my favorite products and tools that would help you to get one step closer to your dreams. And this is the founder, Kate. Let's go on over to shop and see if we can check out the prompt journal and the mantra journal.
So here's the prompt journal. I want to see what ocean blue, they call it. Ocean blue. Okay. This is the Ink Plus Volt prompt journal, which we just flipped through. It's $26.50. Comes in a couple of different colors. And then here's the story all about it. And ooh, they have a little preview flip through right there on, oh, here's what I was looking for. It is a 6" by 8.5" classic A5 size, 112 pages, lightweight. All right, let's click on over to the other one. So that was our, ooh, I think we just flipped through this one because it's that bright purple. All right, here is the planner, Ink Plus Volt 2022 Goal Planner Limited Edition Series. And we looked at the royal purple. It's $52.75. Here is a little bit more about the planner. I want to see if it has the specs down here. 6" by 8.5" size, 2-page markers, made in USA, luxurious and sophisticated, environmentally sound, soy-based inks, rainforest-friendly paper, lay flat binding, 70-pound quality paper, and a pocket in the back. Here is the Ink Plus Volt Mantra Journal. And we flipped through this coral blush color. It is $26.50. Here's the story about the journal. And here are the features. Classic A5 size, lightweight, 36 pages. There you go. Ink Plus Volt Productivity Notepad Suite. So it looks like you can get a whole bundle of the different notepads. You can also get bundles of the planner. So this might be what we have. We have this purple planner along with the notepad that matches it. It looks like, oh, look at all these different colors it comes in too. Ooh, I like that one. I like the goldenrod. I like that flamingo. All right, let's see. Okay, so they have more bundles where you can get the notebooks, notepads. Ooh, they have a coloring book. Here's the desktop notepad. Here's one of the ones we looked at. Ink Plus Volt Goal Planning Pad, $11.50. But that's not the only one. They have a ton of different notepads with all different layouts, so you can get whatever you need for your productivity. Then here's the planners, all different ones. They have dated and undated. They have whole suites of goodies, tabs, and some washi tape too. My question for you today, for you to answer in the comments, is this. Which of these three did you like the best? The prompt journal, the mantra journal, or the goal planner? Leave your answer in the comments. As always, check out the description box for all the details about the products shown in this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.